Okwenu, yeah. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwezono, yeah. Welcome back to today's lesson. Today's lesson is very interesting. We're going to be looking at the Igbo days of the weeks. We're going to be looking at the Igbo months, and we're going to be looking at what we call the year in Igbo, and some of the names that come from the Igbo days of the week. If you didn't know that the Igbo people have the names they call their days of the week, which is not the English ones, well, you're gonna learn today, okay? You're going to learn today, and if you knew it, well done, well done. Okay, so we're just going to go right into it. The Igbo days of the week. Igbo people have 4 market days. That's how we count our weeks. 4 market days. Eke, Ori, Nkwo, Afo. The 4 market days. Eke, Ori, Nkwo, Afo. Eke, Ori, Nkwo, Afo. Was that slow enough for you? Good. So those are the 4 days of the week that we have. Additionally, the Igbo names are derived from those market days. On the market day in which you are born, you're named after the market day. For example, if you're born on Eke day and you're a man, your name can be Okeke. Okeke. You hear those Igbo last names as Okeke. Okeke. You also hear Nweke. So you hear Okeke, Okeke, or Okeke, the way people pronounce it. So Okeke, Okeke, or you hear Nweke. The Eke, the EKE, is the market day in which they were born. So you get the gist. While for the male, they are named Okeke, and for the another example is Nweke. For the females that are born on Eke market day, they are named Mbeke. Mbeke. I know some of you think Mbeke is the funny, insultive Igbo name. It's actually our name. Let us stop doing this thing. Mbeke is our name, oh, you guys. It is an Igbo name. This is not an insult. Actually, I'm an Mbeke, okay? A beautiful Mbeke. If you are born on Ore market day, and you're a male, Ngori for Ore market days, and you're a male, Ngori or Ngoye. Actually, my grandfather's name was Ngoye, so Ngoye for if you're born in Oye market day, Ngoye or Ngori. Okay, that's for male. Born on Ore market day, an example of the name that you will get is Mbori. I haven't really heard Mbore. I've heard Mbeke a lot, but Mbore is for Ore market day. You're born in Afo market day. Now that's the third one. If you're born in Afo market day and you're a male, you're most likely to be named Wafo. That's also one of my uncle's names. Wafo. If you're born on Afo market day, you're most likely to be named Wafo. Or you can be named Okafo. Okafo is very, very, very popular. Just like Okeke, Okafo is a very popular last name amongst the Igbo people. Wafo, Okafo, for the male people that are born on the Afo market day. Okay, I hope it's making sense. And if you're a female born on the Afo market day, you'll be named Mbafo, or you can be named Mbafo. Mbafo. Anyhow, people say Mbafo or Mbafo. Anyone you say it's still good. Okay, that's for the female. If you're a male born on the Nkwo market day, your name can be Okonkwo. That's also a very, very common Igbo name, Okonkwo. You can also be called Nwankwo. There are so many examples, but these are the ones that I'm very familiar with. So Okonkwo, Nwankwo, Okonkwo. These are for male born on the Nkwo market day. Popular ones would be Mbeke, Mbori. So that's for the names that we associate with the market days, the names that people are given when they are born on these market days. Today is Ubochi, okay? So today is Ubochi ta. You're specifically talking about today, Ubochi ta. Some people will say tata or Ubochi tata. I say tata. Ubochi ta. It's not like ta. Ta. If I catch ta. Not that ta. 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 Ubochi ta. That's going to be very, very easy for you to remember because a lot of people say ta. If I catch you, ta. That's not the one. But ta. Ta. Ubochi ta is how we say like today. Okay? Today. Ta. 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 Tomorrow. Echi. Some people say echi na abia. Echi na abia. I just say echi because echi is already tomorrow. So saying echi na abia is saying tomorrow that is coming. It's tomorrow already, so it's coming. Like it's gonna come, you know. So echi is correct. Echi na abia is also correct because I've heard people say echi na abia. So if you say echi na abia, echi, we are also talking about tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow. Echi na abia. Echi. Yesterday. Echi garaga. Some people say echi garaga. That is tomorrow that has passed. Echi garaga. I don't say that personally. Yesterday, I say nya. Nyang. Some people say like nyang. Some people say nya. Me, I just say nya. Maybe it's an Anambra distinct. Please comment below if there's another way that you say yesterday. Because I know it as nya. Some people say echi garaga. That's tomorrow that has passed. You get what I mean? That's how they say it. So, I don't know. Just go and look at the months and what the months are called. So first of all, month in Igbo is Onwa. Okay, so because Onwa also is the moon. So when you see the moon up there, when you talk about the moon, is Onwa. So we use that to describe I guess the full moon to describe like a whole month. Okay, Onwa. So Onwa is used for moon, and Onwa is also for the month. So Onwa. So when you say Onwa is like this month. Onwa garaga would be the month that has passed. Onwa na abia would be the month that is coming. Okay, so Onwa this month. Onwa garaga is the month that has passed. Onwa na abia is the month that is coming. So Onwa is month. Okay, so let us just look at Onwa as a month on its own, and also what all the months are called. We start from January, January, like the Oyibo people say, like January. In fact, me, that's how I say it. So coming in January, we'll be there next January. What's January? Please, January. Make it sound very Igbo. January. Okay, that's what I know it's called. I know that some people call it Onwambo, which is the first month. Onwambo. So you can say January or you can say Onwambo, which is the first month. Mbo is first. So Onwambo, the first month. Onwabwa, which is second month. Onwabwa, or you say February. Me, I don't say Onwabwa, I say February. It's not, doesn't like February. February. You gotta call it like an Igbo person. February, make it IGBOTIC, you know what I'm saying? February or Onwabwa. That's right. So we go to the third one, which is March. Onwato, March or March. March. Please, if you shouldn't mind this thing that's misbehaving. March, Onwato, okay? April, Onwano. You see, we're counting. Onwano, April, Onwano, or April. We don't say April Fool, we say April Fool. Oh God. April. May, the fifth one, May, Onwa is say. May, Onwa is say. In Igbo, you can say May. Sounds very like May. Onwa is say Sha, the fifth month. The sixth month, June. June ọnwa isii. June ọnwa isii. June ọnwa isii. Seventh one, July. 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 In Igbo we say July. 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 Ọnwa July. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Ọnwa asaa. Ọnwa asaa. July. July. Ọnwa asaa. The seventh month. Ọnwa asaa. July. August. August. In English, August. In Igbo, August. August. It's like oh, it's not even a. It's August. August. And in August, we usually have this thing we say August meeting, where the Catholic, right? I think it's the Catholic mothers, they do this August meeting or August meeting. I don't know if it's just Catholic, but August meeting. And August meeting is usually people travel from far and wide to come for August meeting. So August meeting is for the mamas. Ndine mama iso kwa. Hey, August meeting. Then their hand will be like jaka, because they have like aka Christian mother. August. So August onwa sato or August, not August, August. September, that's English. In Igbo, September. Now we've entered the Mba months. When we're talking about Mba months, we're not talking about the Ember months. We don't do Ember. Mba months. September, tete or itolu. So onwa itolu, onwa itete. And you can say September. Mba month. September. Not September. September. Okay. Go to the next one after September. English is October. In Igbo, October. So that is the 10th month. So onwa iri, October, onwa iri, the 10th month, October. In French is October, abi? In Igbo it's October. The 11th one is November. So that's why we call them the Mba months, okay? Mba months, not Ember months. No, Mba. Our own is Mba month, MBA. Mba months. So they're all ending with Mba months, okay? So no, that's November now. Now November is November is our own. November is our own, okay? November. Then that would be onwa iri no otu. That's 11. Onwa iri no otu. Then we have December. Onwa December no lubego. Onwa December no lubego. Onwa jengongo. Onwa December no lubego. Onwa December no lubego. Onwa December no lubego. Hey, God. Guys, no, being raised in Onitsha, growing up in Onitsha, no, I had the best time. Like all these evil things, I know it, and it gives me so much joy. Okay, and it didn't interrupt me knowing English or speaking English or speaking Finna even, because I can speak Finna if you want that. But I'm Monibo. Yeah, it's Aro. I say Aro. Some people say Aro. Some people say Afo. So Afo, Aro, Aho. Anyone you hear is correct, but the one I think he used in Igbo is Afo. Okay, Afo. That's why we say Afo lekede. Okay, so if you're from Anambra, you might be more conversant with Aro. That's okay. So Afo, Aro, but Afo, it would be, you know, the Igbo Izube, the written Igbo one, the correct one to use. That is not dialect. That makes sense. I've come to the end of this lesson. Please like, share, subscribe, send it to somebody, let somebody know about this channel. And I just really want to say thank you so much for all the support, the messages, the advice, the contributions in the comment section. They're really helpful. I try as much as possible to reply to everyone. when I can, guys. I also have a full-time job, so and a family, so I, trying to juggle the whole thing. And I just really want to say thank you. I'm happy to contribute to a lot of people learning Igbo language. I'm privileged to do this, and I encourage a lot more people to open their Igbo channels as well, where they teach Igbo language. It's really, really important. We don't have enough Igbo teachers. We need so many Igbo teachers to teach Igbo language. There's so much space, there's so much content to be created when it comes to teaching Igbo language, and not one person can do it. We need thousands of more Igbo people teaching it, because we need to create more awareness for our language. So today's lesson, I hope you enjoyed it. The days of the week, Eke Ore Nkwo Afo, Eke Ore Nkwo Afo, the days of the week, Igbo days of the week, and the names that you can get from those days of the week, or the names that people were named after in those days, and even till now, those days of the weeks, and also what the days are like today, yesterday, tomorrow, and what every month of the year is. I just want to say thank you, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.